It's a really comfortable night outside, a little bit warmer than the past few, but still really nice. Not a lot of wind, not a lot of humidity, the most important part. And temperatures that are primarily in the low 70s with some upper 60s kind of sprinkled in there. Temperatures tonight will end up just a hair warmer than what we woke up to this morning, most of us in the low 60s. We still have high pressure hanging around the region and a front that's going to try hard to make its way in, but it's not going to make it. This high pressure is blocking it. What this high is also doing is trapping and blocking all of the smoke from the northwest. It's pushing down on the air as high pressures do, and all of that smoke is just hanging towards the surface, getting recirculated around this high pressure over and over and over. And that's what we've been dealing with for the past several days. And now we are heading into day 7 of a air quality advisory across the state of Michigan. So all of that continues. We have moderate air quality right now, which is better than it was at this point yesterday. Still, though, heading through tomorrow, there will be pockets of poor air quality that continue, which is why that air quality advisory was also extended through tomorrow regionally. Hopefully, we'll start to see some thinning of the smoke into Wednesday, but it all just kind of depends on when this high pressure moves away enough that we can get some moisture in that will kind of erode a lot of the smoke. That's certainly not going to be happening tomorrow, where you can see through the afternoon we'll have some areas of unhealthy air quality out there, especially north of 96 and kind of pinned towards the lakeshore into the evening. Going into Wednesday, though, we start to see some improvements because the motion of that high pressure will help to switch our wind direction back around, helping to bring in some more moisture and moving out some of that smoke. Upper 50s and low 60s for us tonight. We have a few thin clouds that will continue moving through, but very comfortable for us overall. And tomorrow, because the smoke will be a little bit thinner, we'll have more sunshine able to heat us up a little bit more. So for Kalamazoo, probably around 84, Holland near 85 for tomorrow, Muskegon 86, and Ionia right around 85. Wind from the east, generally speaking, at around 5 to 10 miles an hour. As this high pressure starts to move to the east, though, this is when we finally start to swing that wind direction back around from the south, and that will start to happen as we go really into Wednesday and beyond. So temperatures will start to tick up a little bit each day as we pull in that air from the south and we get more sunshine to actually make it through the atmosphere. We'll also end up with the potential for 1 or 2 showers, probably tomorrow ending up dry, but as we go into Wednesday, a little bit of nudge of moisture, maybe enough to get a scattered shower or storm into the afternoon. Not going to be a lot. Most of us are going to end up dry, but other than that, we really don't have much on the horizon in terms of rain chances. Unfortunately, this drought does look to continue to be building here over the next week or so, as it's mostly just going to be increasingly warm and dry days with multiple opportunities for additional 90-degree days this week. Friday, Saturday, and Sunday, a little mini heat wave before rain chances.